Friends, welcome to my workplace at Ranaghat, West Bengal, India. This is a cataract with grade 2 nuclear sclerosis. Let us observe this surgery. This is the main incision with a 2.8mm steel keratom. This is a side port by the keratom itself on the right side of the main incision. Now the antechamber is filled up with 2% hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose and the SPMC is applied over the corneal epithelium for better visibility. Now another side port is made on the left side of the main incision about 2.5 clock hours away, and now is the time to do capsular access. And I'm doing the access with this instrument. This is a Utrata forceps. A capsular tag is raised by scratching onto the anterior capsule, and the capsular tag is guided anti-clockwise all around, and an adequate sized rhexis is achieved. Size of this rhexis is about 5.5mm. And now hydrodissection. 27 gauge cannula and BSS is used for hydrodissection, and the nucleus is mobilized and the nucleus is rotated. And now some more visco is used to fill up the anterior chamber again. And now I am going to divide this nucleus with this Prechopper. This is a patented device. This is a Prechopper invented by Dr. Sohail Irfan Khan from Nanded, Maharashtra. And within few seconds we divide the nucleus into two heminuclei. This is a totally unedited surgery, and see how easy it becomes as we divide the nucleus into two halves. As I try to remove some superficial cortical lens matter, one half of the nucleus just tilts and comes to the TF. Rotate the other heminucleus, chop it into two parts and emulsify each part and remove it. And this is the last part on piece. At this time I go to FECO 3 mode where the vacuum is less 250mm of mercury. The main surgery has been done by 450mm of mercury vacuum. Flow rate was 45 initially, later on it was 30, and then ultrasonic energy used was very minimal in this case. And now cortical cleanup is being done with a 23G Simcoe cannula, and very quickly we can remove the cortex using the side ports. So the cortical removal is done. Some fibers here and there were there, that is removed, and now this is a beautiful cortical cleanup. There is no cells sticking to the corneal endoposterior capsule in this case. And now hydroimplantation of a single piece monofocal intraocular lens in the capsular bag. Yes, the lens goes into the capsular bag. The optic of the intraocular lens is overlapped by the anterior capsular rim all around. And this has been a quick surgery, totally unedited, and I believe that the Prechopper helped in doing this surgery very safely and very swiftly. And now the side ports are closed by hydrating corneal stroma on either side of the stab wounds. A final lavage of the anterior chamber is done, and the capsular bag is also irrigated. We cannot leave any visco molecules in the anterior chamber or in the capsular bag. The antechamber is nicely formed and the case is concluded. Thank you very much for your attention. Hope this video will help you in developing your surgical skills in soft cataracts. Please try this instrument This may be a game changer in your surgical career.